Welcome to the Animal Crochet Academy. In this video, you'll be learning how to use a stitch marker. A stitch marker is a tool used to mark an important spot in your crocheting. And this is especially vital when creating your amigurumi because the most common problems crocheters face when crocheting is losing track of where the round starts and ends. So this leads to an incorrect stitch count and total mayhem. The best type of stitch marker for crocheting amigurumi pieces is this one because you can open it and close it and it won't fall off, which can be disastrous. So how do we use it? You can place your stitch marker in the first or last stitch of the round. I personally prefer putting the stitch marker in the last stitch of the round so that we know where the round ends. To get started, let's place the stitch marker under both loops of the last stitch of the round. We put it under both loops so we don't get confused, and when we come to this point, we are 100% sure this is the next stitch. So how many stitches do we have in our round? In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. Don't forget to count the stitch with the stitch marker. Alright, this is the part I like you to pay close attention to. When you're starting a new round, insert the hook into the next stitch and follow the pattern. When you come to the stitch marker at the end of the round, you need to take away the stitch marker, make your last stitch, and don't forget to put the stitch marker to the stitch you just made, otherwise you will lose your count. Remember to count the number of stitches after each round. But what happens if you made a mistake and the number of stitches in the round does not match the pattern? Then you need to undo the last round. Stretch the piece and you will see a hole. This is the last stitch of your previous round. Now we can take away the stitch marker and slowly pull the working yarn and undo one stitch. Right after that, insert your stitch marker back into that last stitch of the previous round, which was the hole we saw earlier. Then we can undo the whole row by pulling on the working yarn until you reach the stitch marker, which represents the last stitch of the previous round. Here's an important note. Leave a loop so you'll not lose this last stitch. This loop is for your hook to be inserted in. Before remaking the next round, count the number of stitches to see if the mistake was made in the previous round. If correct, you can proceed with your pattern. If not, repeat the step of taking away the stitch marker, slowly pulling the working yarn and undoing one stitch, and finally inserting the stitch marker back into that last stitch of the previous round. Continue undoing until it matches the number of stitches in your pattern. And if you don't want to do that, always remember to count the number of stitches after each round.